students, myself Mehmet Pasha, and today in this session we will solve the problems of exercise 7.2 of practical geometry. Students, let us solve the problems from first make. Okay, so here what they have given, construct the following quadrilateral, that is quadrilateral LIFE. Okay, so here I have written the given information directly. So that is LI is equals to 4 cm, IF is equals to 3 cm, TL is equals to 2.5 cm, LF is equals to 4.5 cm, and IT is equals to 4 cm. Okay, so students, here I have drawn the quadrilateral roughly. So what I have given here, LI, that is this one, equals to 4 cm, IF, this one, 3 cm, next TL, that is this one. Okay, so TL is equals to 2.5 cm. Now they are given two diagonal students, that is LF. Okay, so LF is of how much? 4.5 cm and IT is of 4 cm. Okay, so this is what the rough sketch. So if you want, you have to draw this one compulsory so that you will not get confused while constructing the quadrilateral. Students, first what we need to do? Okay, so look at here. So this is a base, that is LI. So how much? 4 cm. Okay, so again I am telling you. Okay, so here I am taking the approximate length. Okay, so I am not taking the as it is here because it is difficult to draw on the board and you have to take the correct measurements. So look at here, students. So first what you need to do, so keep the scale like this. Okay, hold the scale like this. So draw a line of 4 cm. Okay, so draw a line of 4 cm. So mark the end points. So this is L and this is I. How much? 4 cm. Students, now what we need to do? So here we have drawn the line segment of 4 cm. Next, okay, set the compass to 2.5 cm. Okay, set the compass to 2.5 cm. So look at here. So take a scale. Okay, so set the compass to 2.5 cm with L as center. Draw the arc. Next, again take the scale. Okay, so take the scale. Set the compass to 4 cm. That is, you have to draw the diagonal. Okay, set the compass to 4 cm and from I as center, draw the arc. Students, assume that I have set the compass to 2.5 cm. Okay, set the compass to 2.5 cm with L as center. Okay, so draw the arc of 2.5 cm. Draw the arc of 2.5 cm. Now, next what we need to do? So take a scale. Okay, set the compass to 4 cm. Next we need to draw the diagonal, that is TI. Okay, so we need to draw the diagonal TI. So how much diagonal? 4 cm. Okay, set the compass to 4 cm. Next with I as center, draw the arc. Students, assume that I have set the compass to 4 cm. Okay, so with I as center, draw the arc. With the I as center, draw the arc. So now what we need to do? So mark the point of intersection of these arcs and join these two sides. That is, so this will be T. That is, join TL and TI. So this is the point of intersection. So this will be T. Okay, so join T L. Okay, so join TL and so it will be TI. So now this is what? 2.5 cm and this is of 4 cm. Now students, so next what we need to do? So we need to set the compass. Okay, so we need to, so this side we have to draw. Okay, so we need to set the compass to 3 cm. Okay, so just hold on like this. Set the compass to 3 cm. Okay, so set the compass to 3 cm with I as center. Cut the arc. Students, assume that I have set the compass to 3 cm. Next with the I as center. Okay, I as center, mark the arc. This from here. Okay, set the compass to 3 cm with I as center, mark the arc of 3 cm. Next what you need to do? So look at here. So this diagonal, that is diagonal F. Okay, so diagonal LF they have given. How much it is? It is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so set the compass again. Take the scale. Okay, so set the compass to 4.5 centimeter with the L as center. Draw the arc. Students, assume that I have set the compass to 4.5 centimeter. Next with L as center. Okay, so mark the arc. So with L as center, draw the arc of 4.5 centimeter. Okay. So now what you need to do? So join the point of intersection. Next, so this will be F, students. So this will be F. So now join the sides. Okay. So this is I, F, I, L, F. Okay. So join the sides. Now students, so you have 2 points now. So you have 2 points. So no need of marking here. Okay. So as you have 2 points, you can draw the straight line. So here join TF. Okay. So join TF. So this is what the required quadrilateral. Okay. So this is the required quadrilateral. Students, now let us solve the second question. Okay. So here what they have given, construct the quadrilateral GOLD. So here they have given the measurements to construct the quadrilateral. So here I have drawn the rough sketch. Okay. So here, look at here. So first what you need to do, you need to write the measurements in the rough sketch so that you will not get confused. Friends, so look at here. So they have given OL. Okay. So they have given OL as 7.5 centimeter. Next GL. Okay. So GL is what? This diagonal. So it is of 6 centimeter. Next GD. GD is of 6 centimeter. And LD. This one. It is of 5 centimeter. Next OD. OD means this diagonal. Okay. So it is of 10 centimeters. So now we'll construct the given quadrilateral. Students, now what is the first step? Okay, so look at here, OL. So here we need to draw the line segment OL of 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so take the scale like this. So draw the line of 7.5 centimeter. So this one is what? O, I, and the points L. It is of 7.5 centimeter. Now students, so what you need to do next means, so take the compass. Okay, so take the compass. So set the compass to 5 centimeter. Now we need to draw the side, that is DL. Okay, so set the compass to 5 centimeter and with the L as center, mark the arc. Now students, assume that I have set the compass to 5 centimeter. Next with L as center, mark the arc or draw the arc of 5 centimeter. Okay. Next, what we need to do? So here, so look at the diagonal. They have given the diagonal OB. Now, what's the next thing means? Take the scale. Okay. So set the compass to 10 centimeter. So take a scale and set the compass to 10 centimeter, and with the O as center, mark the arc at a distance of 10 centimeter. Students, assume that I have set the compass to 10 centimeter. Okay. So with O as center, mark the arc at a distance of 10 centimeter. Okay. So draw the arc. So now mark the point of intersection. And next, what we need to do? We need to, so this will be the D. Okay. So this will be the point D. Now we need to join OD and OL. Students, so join O. So first join DL. Okay, next we need to join OD. Okay, so this is what side 5 centimeter and this is of 10 centimeter. Now what's the next thing, students? So look at here. Now we need to draw the diagonal GL of 6 centimeter. Okay. Next, what's the next thing? So take a scale and set the compass to 6 centimeter. Okay, take a scale and set the compass to 6 centimeter. Next, with the L. Okay, so with L as center, draw the arc. Okay, so with L as center, draw the arc. Students, assume that I have set the compass to 6 centimeter. Okay, so now with L as center, mark the arc. Okay, so with L as center, mark the arc at 6 centimeter. Now, what's the next thing you need to do? Okay, so look at here. So GD is given 6 centimeter. Okay, so again, so take the scale. Okay, So keep the radius. Okay, so keep the radius of this compass at 6 centimeter, and with D as center, draw the arc. Students, assume that I have set the compass to 6 centimeter. Next, with the D as center, mark the arc. Okay, so with D as center, mark the arc at 6 centimeter. Next, join the point of intersection. Now students, so join the point. Okay, so this will be G. So join G, O. Okay, next GL. So you have forgotten to join this. Okay, join GL. Next, join GD. Okay, so this is of 7.5 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter, and this is 6 centimeter, and this is also of 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is what? This is the required quadrilateral. Students, now let us solve the third question. Okay, so here what they are given: construct rhombus BEND. So here they are given the measurements of diagonals. So this what I have drawn the rhombus rough. Okay, so it's a rough figure, that is rhombus BEND. So diagonal ED is of 6.5 centimeter and BN is of 5.6 centimeter. Now, what's the first thing that we have to do? Look at here, diagonal ED. Okay, so take a scale. Now draw the line segment ED of 6.5 centimeter. Okay, so you have to draw line of 6.5 centimeter. Next, mark the points. This is E and this is D. So this is of 6.5 centimeter. Now students, so what's the next thing is, so we need to draw the perpendicular bisector for this. Okay, so we need to draw the perpendicular bisector for this line, and after drawing perpendicular bisector, so how to draw the diagonal, that is BN. Okay, so here BN is how much? Okay, so BN is 5.6 centimeter. So divide it. So when you divide this 5.6 centimeter with 2, so you are getting 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 remains 0.2 are 16. Okay, so you are getting 2.8 centimeter. Now, so first we'll draw the perpendicular bisector for this one. How to draw perpendicular bisector? That is, take more than half. Okay, so we have to take more than half of this. Now draw the perpendicular bisector arc here. Okay, so it must be of same length. Again, arc here. Again, points. So now draw the straight line. So draw the straight line. Okay, so next this. So this is of B and this is of N. So now what we have done? So we have drawn the perpendicular bisector for ED. Now what we need to do means, so look at here. So when we divide 5.6 by 2, so what we are getting? We are getting 2.8. Okay, so take a scale, set the compass to 2.8 centimeter. So when you set the scale to 2.8 centimeter, so with this point, okay, so here, the point of intersection. So with this point, you have to draw the arc. Okay, so with this point you have to draw the arc, and with this point also you have to draw the arc. Okay, and now join the point of intersection. Okay, so now join BE, next BD and BN, so DN and EN. Students, so keep this as O. Okay, so now after drawing the arc from O at a distance of 2.8 on this line, so now join, so mark this point of intersection. So join ED, okay, BD, next BN and EN. Okay, so this is what? This is a required rhombus.